Good evening and welcome to 200forexclips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 14th of August 2017. Okay guys, it seems that market is finally settled and it's good for review, so that is why I'm going to make a video today. Okay, so let's talk about the signals for today. It's the 14th of August signals, and first of all let's get started with Euro USD. So today I have supplied the bearish signal to my subscribers, and this is the first signal of my signals report. So 118247 was the entry, and guys, the lines are already drawn on my chart and you can see a clear downfall from that day. As you know that my signals are based on full day trading, so normally when I prepare signals I consult up to the daily chart, and these are based on the same approach, and you can see that the gap in my signals is quite high and it's based on many hours. So guys, we have a successful signal on Euro USD and it's fine, and now you can see that we have a small hammer. It's not very much big, but it's a small hammer, and it looks like that this should be the end of a bearish trend, and now this is the oversold levels, and from these levels the market is again trying to bounce back. So those subscribers who are having open positions of sell in on Euro USD, then I recommend them to close this position, because it's not a good idea to go into sell position on Euro USD. Okay, moreover guys, if you're using the trading system, then it was also fine, because you can see that from the bought levels we have rejection from 11th of August, and the market started making a bearish pattern. And if you remember my previous analysis, then I think I was also bearish on Euro USD. Okay, now let's talk about the New Zealand USD. This is the second signal of my signals report. So this signal has also went fine. Overall we hit 5 signals till now. So the entry was 073184, and guys, the level is here, and you can clearly see we have a drop from that level, and New Zealand USD is finally down. And now you can see that we have a doji here, and this could be a sign of trend reversal. So again I will suggest that if you have active sell positions on New Zealand USD, then it looks like that this is the end of taking sell positions. Maybe the market should be bullish from these levels, as it's getting a bullish pressure from here. So overall this is the second signal which has satisfied today, and this was based on the full day trading, and the market was going down from yesterday. Okay, at next I'm going to talk about Great Britain Pound USD. The gap was very high in my signals, and this signal was with a high gap. Great Britain Pound USD was with the bearish expectation, and guys, you can see that I have an entry from 130185, and market exactly hit the entry, and after that it went way down, and that was what I was expecting. And today I have intentionally kept this gap a more bigger, because I was expecting more a movement on Great Britain Pound USD, and you can see on the screen it has clearly went down. Okay, moreover guys, if you watch my tutorials on YouTube, then you will find one thing in common, that we have a dojis here, and dojis were telling you about the trend reversal. Look at this doji. This was a big doji that was appeared on 11th of August, and even if you talk about the 13th of August, we have so many dojis here, and even on the 14th of August in the early session of the day we have a very good doji here. That was a sign of a trend reversal, and the market went down. And previously the trend on Great Britain Pound USD was upward trend. Okay, now you can see, look at this candle. This candle has pumped way up, and that's a clear message that Great Britain Pound USD is getting a buying pressure. So guys, if you have any active trade on in a bearish way, then simply close it, because overall we are already done with our signal. There is no need to trade extra than this, because you know that it is already satisfied, and hopefully from here we can expect that the market will again make a bullish pattern. Like from here you can see that such type of candle was also formed on 11th of August, and look, these candles normally will look in the same way. So that could be a bullish pressure, and then again it can test up to 130185. Okay, USD JPY, that's on the way, and this is the another signal in my signals report. 109698 was the entry, and guys, technically everything went perfectly fine, because if you look at the previous trend from 11th of August to 13th of August, it was in an upward trend, and when I have supplied the signal, I have turned into bearish, because I was not giving a signal to buy this pair at a high price. And you know that I have already talked about this thing in my lessons, and I'm going to remove this trend line so that it should be more clear for you. So guys, after upward trend we have a doji here, and you know that I have talked about this in my lessons, that when the doji appears, then you need to wait for the confirmations. It does not mean that the doji has appeared and you are going to take a sell position. No, this is not the right way. Like here, if you look at the previous candles, we also have a doji here, but you are not going to take a sell position because the next candle is going to be bullish. So wait for the market to let it complete the bullish pattern first, and then we will enter. So from here you can see that that was a sign that this was a sign that the market is getting a bearish pressure, and that was a time to sell USD JPY, and this candle was formed after two dojis here. So that was a sign of trend reversal. And guys, overall I'm still on the way on USD JPY, and I'm giving the signal that it looks bearish to me. And let me consult the 4-hour chart so that it should be more clear. Now look at it here. In the 4-hour chart, you can clearly see the market is at the top overbought levels, and it's getting a rejection, which is indicating us that sellers will dominate in the market, and we will have a more downward pressure on USD JPY. Do not get confused only on the basis of H1. You need to check H4 also, because the signs are still giving us a bearish pressure, and the market can test up to 108,885, and this is the targeted price that I have supplied in my signals report. Okay, at next and last, I'm going to talk about a Great Britain pound JPY. You know that it went up from 11th of August. It has a very good bullish pressure on that time, and this pressure has, it went up after a doji here, and now guys, look at here again. You will get a same message like I have conveyed in the form of USD JPY. Doji was appeared at the top. You have waited for the next candle, then you have waited for another hour. The market was getting a rejection, and I have also supplied the bearish signal right from 109,698, and the market exactly touched that signal. Sorry, that's confusion here. This is the Great Britain pound JPY chart. Let me switch my chart here. Okay, sorry, this was a signal 142,672 was the entry, and the market exactly hit the entry, and then it went down as I have predicted in my signals report. So guys, this candle was the confirmation, because here it does not take a U-turn, but from here the market started to make a bearish pattern. And if you have the scalper, then scalper has also pointed you to sell the pair, and look, Great Britain pound JPY is down. Okay, at last I'm going to talk about the rest of the signals. Okay, USD CHF is completely missed. It has not taken a U-turn. I was bearish, but today it has completely went bullish. It has not taken the U-turn, which means that you should not take into any trade. Okay, Australian dollar USD. Okay guys, you can note down this signal for a US session. If the market breaks that entry 078,766, then we will expect a bullish chances on AUD USD, and it has not taken a U-turn till now. And moreover, a USD Canadian dollar, just a second please. Okay, USD Canadian dollar, guys, I am bearish from 127,010. It already break that level, but still note that if the market stay below 127,010, then it has a lot of chances to go into 126,510. So this is a signal that I am giving for the US session, and rest of the 5 signals went perfect, and I have already reviewed it. So guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you are looking to get this trading system, if you want to improve your trading technique through my lessons or request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, then please use this email for sending your inquiries info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.